Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to make a toy storage truck out of these two cardboard boxes. I have these boxes which are not in very right shape, so the first thing I am going to do is fix them. So I have cut these cardboard pieces from the big box only, and now I'll draw the truck's front part on this cardboard sheet and then going to paste it on the small box. I would suggest you to take proper measurements with the help of scale to draw the designs. It is very simple, as all you need to draw are few lines and rectangles. You can take the screenshot of the drawing once it gets finished for your reference. So this is how the truck's front part will look like. Now both the cardboard boxes will be pasted together in this way so that the small box will become the front part of the truck and the big box will act as storage box. Now as I have prepared the layout of front part, I am going to paste this sheet on the small box with the help of Fevicol. And then I have put some weight on it and going to leave it for some time so that it will stick properly with the box. Now it's time to fill colors in the truck. I am using acrylic colors for it. After finishing the front part comes the side portion of the smaller truck. As you have already seen, the box I have is in very bad shape, so I am fixing it with whatever spare plain cardboard sheets I was having. But if you have good quality cardboard boxes, then you are not required to follow these steps. You can directly start working on your cardboard boxes. Just make sure to paste any plain chart sheet before drawing so that already printed text or designs on boxes will not be visible. This is the layout of side part. For tires, you need to cut 4 round cardboard sheets, 2 small tires for front truck and 2 little bigger tires for storage truck. And with the help of Fevicol, paste it on both the sides of the front truck. So this is how final front body of truck will look like. For the big box, I painted red color, but as you can see, the prints are visible and I was not having enough color to give it 2 to 3 coats. So I've decided to cover the box with red chart paper, and I would also recommend you to use such colored chart paper instead of painting, as it will definitely going to save your time. Now I have glued both the boxes together with the help of Fevibond and Fevicol and then pressed them tightly between the wall and the planters and going to keep it overnight like this. So now as both the boxes are attached perfectly, I am going to add tires on the storage box. Both the tires are ready and now I am adding little details on the storage box too. Paste the tire with the help of Fevicol. After fixing the tires on both the sides of the storage box, coloring the details also, now to make it more interesting and appealing to kids, let's add locks on the flaps of these boxes. So here I am going to cut 4 rectangular strips of cardboard and on each strips I am going to paste 2 small squares on either sides of strips, leaving a gap in the center. So the strips will look like this. So this is how we can lock the boxes. You can use ice cream sticks too, as I was having only these spoons available, so I am using them. Same locks you can make for the front box too, but my small box was not in good condition, so after adding other sheet it looks like I need to think of another lock. So this is the hook I found at home, so I am going to fix it with Fevibond, and I have already pasted a carry bag handle on the other flap, so this is how it is going to function. All trucks in India have some quotations painted behind them near the tail light, and I'm sure that all our little kids have definitely noticed them too. So I thought, why not write something meaningful behind the truck to make them understand the present scenario. So my storage truck says to stop every time you eat without washing your hands. Stop every time you touch your eyes, nose and mouth. Stop if you haven't worn mask before going out. Then it says keep distance and maintain social distancing to stay safe at home. And whenever your friend call you to come outside for playing, then say to them, home okay please. Not only to save yourself but also to save others' lives as well. Isn't it a fun way to teach them how to deal with these tough times? So that's all about today's video. I hope you will like this video, and if you do so, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you try this storage truck, then do share it with me on my Instagram handle. I will mention the link in the description box. You can follow me there too. I would love to see and share your recreations with everyone. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.